Hey, it's Jeff at Lockdown Security, and today I'm bringing you a video on what we can do to help you upgrade your older vehicle. And right behind me is what I would classify as a slightly older vehicle. It's a 2008 Lexus ES350 that we just added some upgrades to. And the upgrades that we added to it were to bring it up to today's technology for things like Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and safety features like a backup camera. But before I get into showing you exactly what we did, I want to show you some of the things that we can also do to help bring your older vehicle up to today's technology. And why you would want to do that is obviously if you shop for a new vehicle or even a used vehicle today, they're extremely expensive. So rather than trading in a car and buying a brand new car to get the latest tech, if your older vehicle is in good shape or it's running good mechanically, it's fine, you might want to consider investing in adding technical upgrades such as what we're going to show you today to save you money instead of buying a brand new car. So with all that said, let me show you. So 2008 Lexus ES350. Some of the things that we can do to upgrade this car: we can put parking sensors in the front. We can put front view cameras to help you park this vehicle better if you do have issues with bumping into things or tight parking spaces. If I move over here to the front windshield, we can do things for safety like adding dash cameras. Many new vehicles come factory equipped with dash cameras, but we do a great business in adding dash cameras to older vehicles and newer vehicles. We can do things like side view cameras for blind spot detection. So if you want to see what's next to you when you're changing lanes, we can add cameras to the mirror. If I come over here to the back, we can add blind spot sensors, either ultrasonic that drill into the bumper. They're at a slightly lower cost. Or if you don't want to have holes in your bumper, we can certainly do radar sensors which mount behind the bumper. In this particular instance, I'm going to show you we did a backup camera because the car did not come with a backup camera from factory. So this is what we added to this vehicle today. One of the things that increases the safety of the vehicle because it allows you to see behind when you put the vehicle in reverse. In the back window, obviously with dash cameras, we have the capability of putting cameras in the back window right here so that you can record if somebody hits you from behind. And then if you come over here, I'm going to show you here on the dash what we've done is we've added a Sony XAV AX3200. It's a multimedia head unit. Doesn't always have to be a Sony. It can be any brand of multimedia head unit. We're capable of putting any of them in. But what this does is it upgrades the entertainment and the safety system of this vehicle. This particular head unit adds Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth hands-free so that you don't get a ticket while driving for speaking on the phone. It is also the display unit for the backup camera. So what happens with the backup camera, if I step on the brake and I put it in reverse, you get an image behind you with selectable guidelines that we can adjust to help you see exactly where you are and how far away from an object you are or from another car. What this radio also does is it gives you the ability to have Sirius XM. So a lot of new vehicles come factory equipped with Sirius XM. If you want to add that to your older vehicle, this radio gives you that capability. Pretty much any of the aftermarket radios we have give you that capability. You'll see here that we've added USB ports. There's two of them. One is for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The other one is for charging the customer's phone. The reason why we did that is so that the customer does not lose their cigarette lighter, and they have a dedicated port for charging USB devices. We have added a hands-free microphone up here for perfect audio quality. That comes with the Sony radio, but we can also add these types of things with any other product. And then essentially, as you can see, it's integrated in the dash using aftermarket parts, aftermarket dash kits that we've specified for this vehicle to mount the radio. So hopefully this video is informative. If you do have an older vehicle that you've purchased, or if you have an older vehicle that you're thinking about trading in because it doesn't have the latest and greatest tech, just know that you can reach out to Lockdown Security and we can add the latest and greatest tech. And it's going to save you thousands or tens of thousands of dollars over buying a new or used vehicle. Yes, adding these upgrades does cost money, but you save money by going aftermarket because it's a lot less than having to replace the entire car, especially if it's a vehicle like this car. This is a beautiful 2008 Lexus ES350. It has higher kilometers, 245,000, but look, it's in great shape. Why would you trade this car in? And now this customer is going to get to have years of enjoyment of the latest and greatest technology. And we hope that you can also take advantage of that if you yourself have a car that you want to upgrade. 1-866-824-4118 is our phone number. Sales@lockdownsecurity.ca is our email. www.lockdownsecurity.ca is our website. You can reach out to us. We also have WhatsApp on 647-439-4485. And you can reach out to us on Instagram and Facebook, as well as here on YouTube or wherever you're watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was informative, and we look forward to seeing you in the future.